Hey, what's going on YouTube? Today's episode, we're going to be talking about LasFit. And LasFit has this 40-inch light bar that I'm going to be installing onto my 2002 LX470. There's so many different lighting options out there on the market today. We know that LasFit has quality chips in all of their headlights, tail lights, turn signals, even reverse lights. Just pretty much every bulb that they make has a good quality chip. I've owned LasFit products for approximately, I'd say about a couple years now, or maybe about a year and a half, and I have not had a failure. Some of the features of this 40-inch light bar include, so these lights have high brightness. It's a combo pattern, flood and spot. The color temperature for this light bar is 6000 K. The raw output lumens is 20,900. And the measured output lumens is 11,290. LasFit puts high temperature rubber gaskets in all the seams in different places to ensure no moisture gets into the housing. Together with the IP67 rating, the light bars can be underwater for 30 minutes for up to 6 feet. LasFit uses hardened polycarbonate for their optics. With high impact resistance and scratch resistance, polycarbonate lenses can hold up longer in extreme temperatures as opposed to glass. It is stronger and harder. This 40-inch light bar comes with a standard DT plug port for easy plug and play. These light bars also have excellent heat dissipation. With 6063 aluminum alloy, the LED light bars will not overheat since this highly heat-resistant alloy dissipates heat really well, ensuring long-lasting light performance. Included in the box are 3 types of brackets. You have 2 bottom brackets as well as side brackets, each of them coming with stainless steel hardware. The lifespan of this LasFit light bar is approximately 70,000 hours. And the warranty is a 45-day money-back guarantee and a 3-year hassle-free warranty. If you need additional information about LasFit products, or more information about this 40-inch light bar, please visit www.lasfit.com. And be sure to use LXPlore 10 for 10% off on your next purchase. My garage is such a mess. Christmas stuff, I mean, 'tis the season, right? We're gonna go outside. I have the LasFit 40-inch light bar right now installed into the ProSpeed roof rack of my 2002 LX470. Super easy install, and I'm pretty impressed with that light bar. You'll notice, because what I did is I took a little video from the side, and you'll see how low profile a single row light bar is, especially on the ProSpeed roof rack. So let's go check it out. So here I'm parked on my driveway, and it's about 5:15 p.m. The sun is set. It's not completely pitch black out there, but let's shed some light on this. Woo! You gotta be kidding me. Oh man. This thing is bright. Holy crap. Yeah. Wow, that's amazing. It goes all the way down the street. You can see the road sign over there. Yes, I'm impressed. You know what? And I thought the lights on my bumper were really bright, but this takes brightness to a whole new level. And that's just a single row. Dual beam, right? So you have your spot and you have your flood. It fills in everything nicely. I think that light bar with the LasFit ditch lights or pod lights in a flood pattern down below right here would fill this in all nicely too. Yeah, I like that. And so I wasn't a big fan of light bars on top of the roof because I had a beige Jeep Cherokee, and you would get glare all on top of the hood. It would just reflect right off, and it was horrible. That's why I didn't have a light bar on this thing, and I thought I'd give it a try. You know, talk to LasFit, talk to ProSpeed, and wow, this is good. Let's do it again. Let's do the so ditch lights. Let's turn on headlights, bumper lights. I have the amber covers on the bumper lights, and then I have fogs too. You know, nothing compares to the pods and the light bar. Wow. You know, typically we buy light bars or we buy lighting for our vehicles so that we can actually go on that dirt road and be able to drive and not overtake our lights. That light bar casts light so far down that for us overlanders, we don't really typically, we're not doing Baja 1000 stuff, but that really casts it pretty far. So you could probably drive just a little bit faster. Of course, you got to do it safely, right? You know, you don't want to lose control and not make it home. But that was pretty impressive. I definitely want to take it out, you know, when there's no moonlight, it's just the stars out there. So you'll probably see a review on this in a future date. As always, thank you for watching. I really do appreciate it. And please hit that like button and consider subscribing to the channel. I'll see you on the next one. Thanks again.